What's up, guys? In the last video, you said you wanted to see all of the trucks, so we're going to do some of that today. We got two crew cab short beds in the shop right now, and they're both coming along quite nicely, so let's go take a look at those. Right now we're in like the shipping, receiving area, and this is the actual shop area. Don't mind the mess. We're still in the process of moving in. This is the new shop, but this is the shop 97 crew cab short bed that we're starting on the TTB suspension, but we'll get to that later. Let's take a look at this 97 F250 crew cab short bed. The guy bought it, I believe he bought it brand new from the dealer and brought it to us to have a coilover kit done on the front end. So we've got the axle brackets welded on, the axle is all painted, all of our brackets, almost all the brackets on the frame, and the axle's right here. The rest of the parts are over there. We're going to have this thing back on its own weight, hopefully today after we're done doing this video. And then this truck will be ready to go. There is one thing I'd like to mention, that somebody, don't know who, but replaced the pitman arm on this truck. And instead of removing the steering box to pull the pitman arm, they went the cheater way and just cut the cross member, probably with a plasma, maybe an oxyacetylene, either one, didn't know what they were doing. And yeah, just hacked work on such a beautiful truck. Don't do that stuff. I don't understand why people would, but whatever. So, give you a sneak peek of this truck, the 97 crew cab short bed. It's a 460 truck with a ZF5, and we're getting started on the new suspension for it. We got the new wheel mounted up with no tire. It's going over tomorrow. Actually, the OBS solution is going to take the wheels and tires over, get them mounted, and then a quick sneak peek of a bracket that is in the makings right here. So hopefully we'll have more on this either later tomorrow or next week, because this thing's got to get done before the OBS truck show, which, quick plug, is in Albany on the 19th and 20th of August. It's going to be awesome. There's going to be tons of OBS Fords there. We're sponsoring it. It's put on by OBS Solutions, Devin over there, and it's going to be a great time. So you guys should all come check it out and have a good time. Okay, so this is always the fun part, because you gotta get this freshly painted heavy Dana 60 off of the jack stands and onto the little rolling dollies. So Danny over here is gonna hold it from flopping. What's your ichrometer saying? Mine's saying it needs to go that way. Got the lower link here. Gonna get it hooked up to the frame and then to the axle. Then we'll do the upper link on the radius arm to the axle and then to the lower link. And then we'll put on the track bar, get it kind of tape measure centered. That way the alignment shop doesn't have to do as much work. And then we'll go ahead and get the shocks in. And this is the quick, fun, pretty easy part. The lower link is connected on this side. Now I'm going to go do the other side while Danny's putting track bar mount on. Well, guys, finally got everything installed on this truck. We did our coilover suspension kit, like I said before, and our heavy-duty front steering linkage, and everything that goes along with that. And it's finally buttoned up, ready for a test drive, and it's been a great time. We haven't done the rear suspension yet. I think the owner will probably want to have that done in the near future, especially after he feels the front. But I'm super excited with how this truck turned out and can't wait to go out and see how it drives. So let's take a quick peek here. All the suspension, steering linkage. This truck looks really good. Thrilled with how it turns out. I know I say that on all of them, but this truck just feels like it deserves high quality suspension. So excited to take it for a spin and see how it goes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've got lots more coming and having a lot of fun doing the YouTube stuff, so we're going to continue going with this. As always, please like and subscribe and let me know what you think in the comments and if there's anything you'd like to see more of. So I'm John with Carrot Customs, and thanks for watching our videos.